Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook event. Alright, so we are going to create an event right over here. What we're going to do is go to our profile picture on the top right hand side. We're going to go and look for, it says all reels, photos and events. Let's go ahead. Let's create an event. Here we're going to click on create an event, and here you will now be able to pick a cover picture. So either a GIF, something from your gallery, or you can upload. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pick this funky ball picture. You can also go ahead, add a name. So let's just say event 1. You can add a start date and time. So let's say it's going to be on the 15th at 4 p.m. You can add an end time. You can repeat the event. And then you can also choose the time zone. You can choose if it's an in-person event or if it's a virtual event. So let's say it's a Facebook Live. We can now choose who gets to see it. So we can make it private, public, or a specific group. And then we can add in the details. So here's basically just a description of the event. You can also market your event. So if you click on here, you'll be able to choose a category. So let's just say visual arts, for example. We can then go ahead and add co-hosts, add an event chat. So if you go in here, you can literally just add messenger community to that. And then some additional settings include only that a host can make posts, and posts must be approved by a host, or posts and comments detected as potential spam will be held for review. So those are your options. Once you are done, you literally click on create event.